Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Before you start, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard controls and ensure all passengers are safely buckled in. Always check for any warning lights on the dashboard before proceeding. This preparation ensures a safe and comfortable driving experience. To start your CLA 250, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the Start/Stop button. The gear shifter is located on the steering column. Push it down for drive or up for reverse. To engage park, press the button on the end of the stalk. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, typically a button to your left, before driving. Once in drive, accelerate smoothly and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. The CLA 250 offers responsive steering, so gentle inputs are usually sufficient. When braking, apply pressure progressively to slow down, avoiding abrupt stops. Always be mindful of speed limits and traffic signals to ensure a safe journey for everyone on the road. When you've reached your destination, bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Engage the parking brake by pressing its button, usually located to the left of the steering wheel. Then, shift the column shifter into park. Finally, turn off the engine by pressing the Start/Stop button. Double-check that all lights are off before exiting your Mercedes-Benz CLA 250.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.